YouTube viewers, this is Planet Adobo once again, and I'm gonna show you how to install the OEM front plate mount of the Tesla Model 3 2022. And there are several things that you have to consider when installing your front plate mount. Number one is I already prepped this. I clean it up. I made sure that there's no dirt and everything like that, because you're gonna utilize this adhesives over here and you want it to be sticking to the surface properly. And you want to know where is the center of the grill, which is really marked over here. Just you know, the logo is gonna be your reference, and right over here is the actual center of the grill. That's gonna be your reference point. And the front plate mount has a notch over here, and that's the center. So there are several instructions over here that's like etched on the plastic. It says over here that you take the number one plastic first, which is this one, and then partially take off the second and the third. Okay, so partial, and then you apply it so that you know where the center is, and then apply it like that. Okay, all right, this is I think you can just do it. You can just do this one just one time, because this is a very strong adhesive. You wanna make sure you do it just one time. It's gonna be a problem. It's gonna take off. You're gonna be taking off this adhesives and stuff. Okay, so this is not screwed in. It's just an adhesive mount, but this is the original Tesla Model 3 front plate mount that came with the car when I bought it. All right, so but I made a different approach to this so that I know where my reference points at. If you see, I put a clear scotch tape over here and scotch tape over there, so that's where my reference at. I will not have any problem. Even if it wiggles a little bit, like maybe less than a millimeter, it's still okay. All right, so let's do this. So I already, as I told you earlier, I already cleaned this up, prepped it, made sure there's no oil and everything in there, and it's dry, of course. All right, so this is what we're gonna do. We take off the number one adhesive right there, and then the number two, we fold it to the side, like that. Or better yet, I can tape it over here so that it won't give me any problem, like that. And number three, also tape it to there. It's no problem. All right, so like that. So we're ready to install. Here it is. Here goes for nothing. So wanna hold on, let's move to the video over here so I can see. There's the center over here. then I'm gonna go where my marks are. Right there. Right there. I want to make sure they line up together. Yes, pretty good. So, okay, one more time. Let's see. Okay, and then you press it like any other stuff, and then put this out. Pull the white tape that I put. And then I pull the other one. There. And there you go. You press it so that it will adhere to the surface. A few seconds. Alright. Almost done. You want the bond right there. And see the signs, yes. It's like professionally installed. I like it. And you see the marks are in, but there's my white tape, my clear taper. There. I think we're good. Alright. And let's see how it looks like. Let's press a little bit more. I just bought my Tesla Model 3 2022 a few weeks ago. So basically I just got the license plate now, so we're installing the front plate mount, and looks good, looks sturdy. I don't really feel any vibrations or anything. You see it like that. All right, looks good. That's the reference. All right. Well, it's like professional installed. Everything is symmetrical. Look at this one and that one. I could measure it just because if you're OCD, I could measure it, but I really think it went in really good. All right, so this is Planet Adobo once again. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I need more subscribers to put more videos like this, instructional videos. You can use it as entertainment. You can follow it, but this is through my own experiences. So I'm not in a way instructing you to do what I do. This is plainly for entertainment purposes only, but if you feel like it will benefit you, and that's totally up to you. All right, this is Planet Adobo once again. Aloha.